Alright, welcome back. We are back with another part to this application suite. Last time we showed off Neandromeda, which was more for enthusiasts, and now we will show off the sequel. So go to ISOs. You said you'll be able to run these from a disk, so excuse me. Alright, so you click the run bat here. And this here application suite is a more classic version. It's inspired by Windows 3.1 and Windows 95. There are various applications here. Gonna do some fun stuff. So let's open up Terminal. And you just kind of type, there's some terminal games built in like before. Oh, come on, move out of the way. Sorry about that. So let's go ahead and run again. The terminal is the biggest thing to be concerned about. So that's the terminal. There's an options menu. Let's quickly go through that. You can go through, like I said, some presets here. There we go, classic Windows 3.1 look. And there's a black and yellow theme. Let's go to Minecaster first. This is a Minesweeper clone game. There's a small room here, and you approach any wall. It will tell you press E, and then we'll load up a Minesweeper clone. You lose, and yeah, that's what happens. You see the explosive animation. So that's just a small game. Next to show off is a Excel program for spreadsheets and documents, things like that. You do charts. Let's type in, say, July 2026, August 2026, September 2026. And you can just type in, let's say, 100, 200, 300. And this is it generates a chart down here. You can change between what types of charts you want up here, whether it be a pie graph, a line graph, or a regular bar graph. And it will show you your statistics, and you can screenshot, post them up online. So basic Excel function. Many people will have use for this. Next is the come on. This might take a moment to load. The PowerPoint. Or is that Proto? I can't read. Oh, that's Paint. Yeah, sorry about that. This was before the Paint was implemented, so Paint's not functional in this one, but PowerPoint is. This will load up a thing where you can generate a quick PowerPoint with slides, that kind of stuff. Type in your text, anything you might need. It's a very, very generic, like Windows like 1 or 3.1 kind of PowerPoint software for slides and presentations. Yeah, I think I separated the paint for some reason. Anyway, let's go ahead and move on. This is one of the key features of this new era thing. This is the Proto Web browser. This allows you to go onto the old net, and you can select here, go to Yahoo, and you can browse the old net. Let's just say anime. Click search, and this will pull up old Yahoo pages and stuff. ProtoWeb has all sorts of stuff on it. This here's the directory. This will show you all the things you can access: Shoutcast, Warp Stream, various websites, and more. Most of it's browsable, so let's go to GameFAQs. Here you go. There's the old GameFAQs page where you can look up old cheat codes and facts, things like that. The directory, the welcome, will guide you through everything else. You can set MIRC chat and more through this. So this is the web browser, and there's other features and options. You could go to your external browser if you want, or just close. So that's the browser. Here is the other version of the terminal. Turn off effects, increase the size, change the type of font. So this is the other version of that terminal from earlier. Better version. And then finally you have a typer. So this has various typing games. You can actually do Q&A, Wheel of Fortune, Hangman, words per minute, free type, or ask Sharon a question. And that's the premiere for that. So that's pretty much everything for this desktop. Go to close out. Let's see, the paint, the shortcut is not corrected, but you can still do the paint. And you can go here, run the BAF file. I forgot, I don't think I have paint in here, or have a different version of it, a not as working version. Let's see, where would my working version be? It should be underneath. That is super weird. Okay, so you cannot run the paint from a disk, but you can run the paint from your desktop, your hard drive. So there you go. So there's lots of paint functions. There's palettes here. You can actually do squares, cubes, that kind of stuff. Here's 3D paint. And this will allow you to load in 3D objects and paint them, or paint the maze itself. You can switch between lighting types, you can move around, all that kind of stuff. Let's just draw a basic cube here. So we got that. Fill in. Let's see here. Fill. There we go. Beautiful. See how creative that is? There's a, very colorful cube. There's a pyramid. Yeah, it's pretty fun. There's only some shapes and stuff for now, but you can pretty much draw whatever. And you can just kind of modify it. So, there's that. That's pretty much the end. Just remember, if you want to run the paint program, just don't run it from a disk. Copy it to your hard drive. That's pretty much all there is for this application suite. So make sure you let me pull up our logo here. Funny paint on that. So yeah, make sure you just check out Sarah's System Works online. You can also find us at, let me open up a web browser here. Neosites. You can also find us here at serifos.neosites.org. And this will give you even more applications, helpful tips, updates, facts, lots more functions like CD player, more games, and lots of more stuff. There's a Q&A for various answers to various questions. This will give you, and so on. But yeah, so I've enjoyed talking to you guys and walking you through the Project Neandromeda and Project Chromadromeda. I will see you guys next time.